What's up, everybody? It's Keisha Kadan checking back in with my 3 tips or tools in 3 minutes. This week, I am going to share with you 3 ways you can find help using technology or software for free. So let's get started. The first resource I want to share with you is actually the Chicago Public Library. The Chicago Public Library has what's called a Cyber Navigator program, and you actually can sit down with someone and get one-on-one help with learning how to use computers, technology, software, and it's all through a grant. So you don't have to worry about paying, but you get some good quality help from people who are being paid by a grant to assist with catching people up on technology tools and the use of software. So that is our first free resource. You can find it by navigating the Chicago Public Library website. They also have what they call Tech Tuesday, where they automatically go over technology related tools and resources on Tuesdays. So get started right away by using your local library's resources. Alright, so I gotta come back to you again with our second resource, which is also free, and tell you about the free classes at, you guessed it, the Apple Store. If you are a Mac user, you can find classes locally in your Apple Store. You can actually find a class on video editing, but you can also find a myriad of other classes and subjects that may interest you related to Mac and Apple products. So that is definitely a resource you want to take note of. Again, sorry if you're not an Apple or a Mac user, that will not apply to you, of course. Let's talk about tip number 3. So I did not leave out my people who do not use Apple products. The third tip I would like to share with you is Microsoft actually offers free classes in their stores and workshops as well. So here in Chicago, you actually can go to the North Michigan Avenue Microsoft store. Very nice. I went recently for a workshop, and they have special topics that may interest you, but the products are through Microsoft. So Microsoft software, if you have Microsoft tablets or PCs, you can get free help and learn how to use technology for free in the Microsoft store. So I cover my Mac, I cover my PC, and I cover the local library, which will actually also have equipment for you to learn how to use computers and technology and digital tools without having to pay at all. So don't forget, if you have technology related questions, to leave them in the comments or send a message and I will address them, and I look forward to doing so. I'll see you next time. Bye.